Honestly, this routine was a game changer for me. So here's the situation. Last week I had such a crazy week, so many crazy things happened, plus I had my period and I just felt like a bit ugh. So one of the people that I do usually watch on YouTube when I'm having a bit of like a rut week is Kalyn Nicholson. Kalyn Nicholson? Kalyn Nicholson. And I purely think it's just because, you know, her videos are so calming. I love the aesthetics of them. One thing she has on her channel is this thing which I just recently learned about, which is called a GYST routine. And what I thought I'd do in today's video is use my day today to recreate this GYST routine. I thought that I would test it out, take it for a test run, and give you guys feedback on, you know, how it goes, basically. Oh my god, so just from doing the research here, I realized that a big part of this is obviously beauty. She, funnily enough, has this like pretty epic template on Pinterest. I'm gonna leave that link down below if you're interested in gisting. But one of the things is to do your nails, which, I mean, come on. That is like an actual disgrace. So that's pretty exciting. Okay, so I've got a bit of a plan for my GYST day, which I'm really excited for. So I guess the first section is like cleaning. So I'm actually gonna go up. To be honest, my kitchen is pretty much a huge disgrace right now. I have been partying all weekend, and what I mean by partying is George and I got a pizza on Friday night and played DDR, and then yesterday I had Kimberly and Ruby around for a mastermind, and we had a glass of rosé. So partying is my life. But my house is a little messy since then, so I am gonna go through the cleaning, but I'm also going to clean out my cupboard and throw away, well, not throw away, donate a whole bunch of clothes. And then I also kind of want to set up this outside space. So 2 dead animals here. We have this like really nice little outdoor bit. I want to just go grab some like plants, maybe some fairy lights, because I think it'd be really cool to like chill out here and do my work on days that are nice like today. And the next section of the GYST routine is beauty. So as I just said before, my nails are in serious need of some attention. I'm gonna do a face mask, I'm gonna wash my hair, I'm gonna get all beautified up, and then I'm gonna put my makeup on because then I need to film another video later. And then I'm gonna do planning. I'm gonna create a new vision board and I'm gonna set some goals for the rest of the year and just re-go over my projects, because even though I did make that plan with me video a couple of weeks ago, so much has changed for me. Even after my mastermind yesterday, I've got a huge new focus. I'm changing my entire business structure. So that'll be really cool to like sit down, and then obviously that makes this video relevant for us entrepreneurs anyway. So let's start gisting. I'm gonna go get the plants and stuff first, I think, because I'm disgusting and sweaty already, so I might as well go out in public, and then I will come back and get cleaning.
3 hours later.
So the outdoor area is done. I really like the way it looks. I've had to stick the lights up with white tape, which doesn't look very good, but I'll get some black tape eventually. But now I have an even bigger mess than I started with, and I'm starting to smell worse by the minute because I still haven't showered since gym this morning. So I'm gonna clean, then I'm gonna do the wardrobe, then I'm gonna get into the beauty stuff, and hopefully I don't repulse my animals.
You're a rebel, getting into trouble. You are kinda like a fire, like a fire, like a fire. Unpredictable, so original. You are never backing down, backing down, backing down. That's what I like about you. So dangerous, I get this rush when I'm with you. I go all in to lose all.
Okay, so I've only ticked like 2 things off my GYST to-do list, but I realized I haven't really given you guys a tour of my living room, so now that I've cleaned it, let's just do a little tour.
You're so different, kind of ignorant. You don't care what people say, people say, people say.
So I didn't actually have as much to throw out as I thought I did. I only have this small pile here. I guess it's because when I moved, I actually did a big, kind of clean out of my wardrobe already. But I now officially look like I live in the tip and smell like it too. So I am going to get in the shower and start the beauty portion of this GYST routine. Finally done my hair, my makeup, and I'm wearing normal clothes, not in my gym clothes anymore. But now it's time to, I guess, start the work portion of the GYST routine. So I've cleaned my house, it looks bomb. I have done my makeup, I have washed my hair, I have put some clothes on, and now what I'm gonna do is actually go sit outside in the little area that I did put together, and I'm gonna be doing some business planning. I'm gonna make a new digital vision board, and then I'm going to be planning my week because today is Monday, even though these routines should be done on a Sunday, but I was masterminding yesterday, so I'm doing it today. because my camera's just about to run out of battery. Sorry about the audio, I know it's a bit shitty out here because there's trams going by. But honestly, this routine was a game changer for me. I know I kind of did this as just like a fun little video because I wanted to, you know, recreate what Kalyn does on her channel. But honestly, I realized something is that there are so many things that I don't do because I'm always focused on growing my business. But by allocating a specific day to getting my shit together, you know, just doing the little things. To be fair, I didn't paint my nails, but other than that, you know, just the little things like setting up this beautiful back garden thing that I have now. It's not a garden, but balcony. Or, you know, taking the time to really do a face mask or sit down and like create a new vision board. Those are the things that I would always want to do, but I wouldn't necessarily do them because I'm always working on my business. And I guess I want to prioritize this stuff in life, but, you know, business comes first sometimes. So by allocating a specific day, like booking it into the calendar and actually saying, this is my GYSTing day. This is my GYST day. This is the day that I'm going to get my shit together. I'm going to do all of those other little tasks that I wouldn't normally do because I'm working or building my business or studying, whatever it is that you do. It's honestly so beneficial. You need time for you. You need time to get your shit together. So I loved this. I'm seriously going to do a GYST day, like at least once every couple of weeks where I can just catch up. I probably will do it on a Monday, to be honest, because Sunday is usually when I'm filming with George. So yeah, I absolutely loved this. I hope you guys enjoyed coming along with me. I hope you liked this video, as I know it was something a bit different. I don't usually clean for you guys on my channel. But yeah. Oh, one last thing I didn't show you was my vision board. So I did create like a bit of a digital vision board this time, just to have as my desktop background. Pretty much here is just like, because I really want to go back and travel Europe. I did it once, but I was young, so I partied a lot. I really want to do it more for the culture this time. This just represents the kind of large organization that I want to grow with the Game Changer company. This is going to be me, you know, after a couple more months at 45. I'm just going to be like so fit, you guys won't even know what's going on. This just represents how I kind of want my house to be designed once I do work with Adriana. This is representing I want to up-level my fashion a little bit more and just kind of, I don't know, put a little bit more detail and attention into my style. And then this, obviously, it does say Matthew Santoro, but it's the new YouTube subscriber plaque. So that is one thing I definitely am striving to achieve, is obviously growing my YouTube channel. But that's it for me, guys. That is all I've got for you today. I really hope that you enjoyed this video. Please do give it a thumbs up if you did enjoy it, and I will see you in the next one.